Have you started learning for your exams? Yes, already. Okay, so for our test we are going to have two chapters, that is chapter number 11 and chapter number 12. That is Daddy's making dinner and who is clever. Who is clever? This is from the reader and antonyms and synonyms from grammar. Synonyms from grammar, right? So this is the course for PT4. We are going to have Daddy's making dinner, who is clever, antonyms and synonyms. The question paper pattern will be fill in the blanks. First question will be fill in the blanks. You will be having 10 fill in the blanks. True, false, that is 10. 10 true, false of 10 marks. Multiple choice question, that is 15 into 2 marks each, will give you 30. Right? So this is the bifurcation of your question paper. Right? So your paper is most probably on the 2nd of Feb, and be prepared for your paper. Your fill in the blanks will be of 10 marks. Your true false will be of 10 marks and MCQ will be 15 MCQ of 2 marks each. So when you are preparing your chapter, prepare in this form, right? Now, moving on to chapter number 11. Let's revise chapter number 11, that is Daddy's making dinner. So in this chapter, who is the writer of this poem? Yes, can anybody tell me? I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, so Jeff Mondak. Right, Jeff Mondak is the writer of the poem. Is Daddy making dinner for the first time? No, Daddy usually makes dinner. But what happened? When Daddy makes dinner, there is a big chaos over there. The kitchen is in mess. Mess मतलब पूरा फैला हुआ, बिखरा हुआ. Right? क्या होता है, कैसे बिखरा हुआ था? जो फ्रेंच फ्राइज पापा बना रहे थे, डैडी बना रहे थे, वो सारे जल गए थे. जो शुगर बाउल था वो टेबल से नीचे गिर गया था और वो टूट गया था. मीट लोफ जो था वो भी जमीन से नीचे गिर गया था, वो जमीन पर था. और फीडो, फीडो कौन है? फीडो उनका डॉग है, डॉगी है, और उसने आके ग्रेवी खा ली. अब क्या होगा, हम लोग क्या खाएंगे? इस पर पोएट दुखी था? नहीं, बिल्कुल दुखी नहीं था. वो बड़ा खुश था. क्यों? क्योंकि वो जानता था कि पापा इतना सब करेंगे और कुछ भी हाथ नहीं लगेगा, और एंड में, इन द एंड, he will pick up the phone and order from the market outside. बाहर से डिनर, आउटसाइड से डिनर ऑर्डर करेंगे. और फैमिली ने आखिरी में क्या खाया? Yes, pizza. Right. So, according to the poem, let's see the question answers. Who was the writer of the poem? Yes, Jeff Mondak. Is Daddy preparing the dinner for the first time? No. What was on the dinner menu? Yes, come on. French fries, gravy, and what else? Think. Meatloaf. What happened to the French fries? French fries का क्या हुआ? The French fries were all black and burnt. Where was the meatloaf? The meatloaf was on the floor. Who was Fido? Fido was the little dog. Who ate away the gravy? Fido ate away the gravy. Right. What happened to the sugar bowl. The sugar bowl just broke. The kitchen was filled with smoke यानी धुआं. पूरा किचन जो है वो धुएं से भर गया था. राइट. देन जो सब पापा ने खाना बनाया था वो सब कहाँ गया? The dinners in the trash मतलब dustbin. And he surrenders and picks up the phone. Surrender. What is the meaning of surrender? Surrender means to give up. I'm not the one to moan. M-O-A-N. Moan means to complain. पर मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो शिकायत करने वाला हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि पापा गिव अप कर देंगे और ऑर्डर करेंगे काय के लिए? पिज्जा के लिए. राइट. सो द writer of the poem is very happy in the end because he is going to get pizza for dinner. Right. So let's see the word meaning, because in your paper you will also get the word meanings. Right. So what do you mean by moan? M-O-A-N. Moan means to complain. Right. Surrender means to give up. And trash, T-H-R-A-S-H. Trash means the dust bin. Right. So this is all about the poem. Hope the poem is very, very clear. Let's move on to chapter number 12. That is, yes, come on, who is cleverer? Now in this chapter, who are the major characters of this chapter? One is Atlas, one is Hercules, and the next is the king. Right. We have three characters, that is Atlas, Hercules and the king. Now who is Atlas? Atlas is a strong, brave man. From where is Atlas? Atlas is from Greece. Right. And all the people of Greece loved Hercules. Who is Hercules? Hercules is a strong, brave man. He is from Greece. And all the people of Greece loved Hercules. Right. So, and the king of Greece. Now let's move on to the king of Greece. Greece का ये जो king था, he is the king of Greece. He was jealous of Hercules. What was he? He was jealous of Hercules. Why was he jealous of Hercules? Because he feared, उसको डर था कि people might crown Hercules their king. Hercules को वो क्या बना देंगे? राजा बना देंगे. और इसीलिए वो क्या करते थे? Hercules को कुछ ना कुछ टास्क देते रहते थे. He used to always give some task or the other to Hercules. Now this time what was the task given to Hercules? क्या टास्क दिया था? क्या डिफिकल्ट टास्क दिया था? Go to the garden of Hesperides. कौन से गार्डन में जाने के लिए बोला था? Hesperides. और यहाँ से क्या लेके आना था? 3 golden apples. Right? क्या लेके आना था यहाँ से? 3 golden apples. Now, हरक्यूलिस ने राजा से मना किया कि मैं नहीं लेके आऊंगा. नहीं, वो एग्री हो गए और वो चल पड़े. He set off मतलब वो निकल पड़े. कहाँ के लिए? To the garden of Hesperides. अब garden of Hesperides. ओके. अब यहाँ पे वो निकल पड़े. सबसे पहले मुलाकात किससे हुई? 3 maidens. 3 maidens से मुलाकात हुई और पूछा कि विच इज द वे टू द गार्डन ऑफ हेस्पेरिडस, हेस्पेरिडस जाने का रास्ता कौन सा है? तो ये 3 मेडन्स ने बोला गो एंड आस्क द ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द सी. ओल्ड नंबर 1 पे 3 मेडन्स, नंबर 2 पे ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द सी. नाउ दिस ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द सी सेड यू गो अलोंग द सी शोर. समुद्र के किनारे किनारे जाइए और वहां पे आपको कौन मिलेगा? जाइंट. ठीक है, ये जाइंट बताएगा कि हेस्पेरिडस का रास्ता कहां से है. अब जाइंट से पूछा तो जाइंट ने किसका बताया? एटलस. अब ये एटलस कौन है? वन ऑफ द tallest titan, right? Atlas. Who was Atlas? Atlas was one of the tallest titans, right? Now Atlas asked Hercules, how come you are here? Hercules said, my king told me to go to the garden of Hesperides and get me 3 golden flowers. Now when he said this to Atlas, Atlas said, you cannot get the golden apples. Now Hercules said, why I can't get the golden apples? Because the garden is guarded by a snake, poisonous snake. Garden की रक्षा कौन करता है? एक poisonous snake, right? A garden is guarded by a poisonous snake. और ये पॉइजनस स्नेक के कितने सिर हैं? 100 heads, right? This poisonous snake has 100 heads. And Atlas, what about Atlas? Atlas क्या कर रहा है वहां पे? Atlas is holding the sky for eternity. Eternity मतलब forever. Why is he holding the sky for eternity? He is holding the sky for eternity because Atlas is punished by Lord Zeus. Atlas is punished by Lord Zeus. Now who is Lord Zeus? The Lord Zeus is the god of sky and thunder. Now who is Zeus? God of sky and thunder, right? Now he is punished by Zeus, and Zeus is the god of sky and thunder. And why was he punished? What was the punishment given by? To hold the sky for eternity, हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. फिर यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Atlas said, I will help you in getting the 3 golden apples, but you have to help me to hold the sky. Now Hercules was not as tall as Atlas because Atlas was the tallest titan. So what he did? Hercules stood on a mountain. माउंटेन पे खड़ा हुआ. यहाँ पर एटलस ने हरक्यूलिस को स्काई दे दिया और हरक्यूलिस ने स्काई ले लिया. Atlas went to the garden of Hesperides and he brought 3 golden apples. Then what happened? He took some time to bring the 3 golden apples and Hercules was waiting for him. And in the end when he returned, जब वो आ गए तब हरक्यूलिस ने बोला, give me the 3 golden apples. At that time Atlas said that I am not going to give you the apples. I will go to your king and give him the apples. You hold the sky for eternity. Now he thought of transferring his punishment to Hercules, but Hercules understood this at once and he said, okay, I am ready to hold the sky for eternity, but in that case I need your help once again. एक बार फिर मेरी छोटी सी मदद कर दो, मैं ये होल्ड करता हूँ स्काई एटर्निटी के लिए. Then what happened? He said, I need to make cushions. मुझे क्या बनाना है? तकिए बनाना है कंधों पे रखने के लिए, ताकि मैं एटर्निटी तक आसमान को होल्ड कर सकूं. And he transferred the weight of the sky to Atlas. And Atlas thought, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं जब तक पकड़ लेता हूँ जब तक आप कुशन बनाते हो. लेकिन हरक्यूलस समझदार थे, उन्होंने नीचे झुके 3 गोल्डन एप्पल्स उठाए और दौड़ लगा दी सीधे. And running, he went back to the king and he gave him the 3 golden apples. This is how he was very smart. So who was smart? Hercules, Atlas or the king? That you have to guess now. कौन चालाक था? उसने क्या किया? हरक्यूलस को ट्रिक किया, चालाकी से वहां से वो निकल भागा अपना पनिशमेंट ट्रांसफर करके. उसका तो कोई पनिशमेंट था ही नहीं, वो तो अच्छा काम करने गया था, राइट? So this is all the chapter about. So in this chapter, eternity means forever, हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. The next word, fetch. Fetch मतलब लेकर आना, to get. Okay, Zeus, god of sky and thunder, right? Maidens यानी कुंवारी लड़कियां. पुराने इंग्लिश में, in old English, they were called as maidens, right? So these are all your word meanings. And antonyms and synonyms I don't think need any explanation because they have to directly learn them, okay? And how you are going to get for the question is give the antonym of hot. Yes, now the antonym of hot. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Out of these options, you have to select the correct option, right? So this is how you have to do. Or maybe a sentence given, and out of that sentence, out of that word, you have to give the correct answer. This is all about your paper. And let's start up with a new chapter, that is conjunctions. What is our new chapter for today? Conjunctions, right? Conjunction. Now, for example, let's take an example. Simple example. Two and two make 4. Now, 2 and 2 make 4. Though or though. So what have I used over here is and. It is joining 2 words, right? So join कर रहे हैं. Okay, now listen. Would you like cold drink or ice cream? क्या खाना चाहोगे? Would you like cold drink or ice cream? देखो क्या खाओगे? आइसक्रीम. अच्छा, कोल्ड ड्रिंक. ओके, तो ये दोनों को जो ऑप्शन मिल रहा है और these type of joining words are called conjunctions, right? ये जो join करते हैं words को, इनको बोलते हैं हम conjunctions, right? So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. They join two words or sentences. What do they join? They join two words or sentences, right? They can also join a sentence, whereas they can also join words. Now let's take Ram and Shyam are friends. जब हम और की बात करते हैं that time we use and. अब एक चीज और देखना, these are like things. Ram is a boy, Shyam is a boy. They both are like, एक जैसे हैं, और ये दोनों वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है and. अब हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते हैं Ram and pizza. अब राम एंड पिज्जा फ्रेंड्स हो सकते हैं क्या? नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज पिज्जा इज एन ईटिंग थिंग, खाने वाली चीज है, और राम एक लड़का है. When you use joining words, that time remember we use and for the like group, same type of things. Okay. Now जब हम अलग अलग चीजों की बात करते हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, दैट टाइम वी यूज और. जैसे चाय या कॉफी. वुड यू लाइक टू ड्रिंक टी और कॉफी? राइट. बर्गर और पिज्जा. बर्गर खाओगे या पिज्जा? कोल्ड ड्रिंक और आइसक्रीम. ऑपोजिट थिंग्स में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? और. राइट. नाउ वन मोर वर्ड इज देयर, दैट इज but. There are many words love conjunctions, but major ones are and, or, but, so, but. हम हिंदी में बोलेंगे पर. He is poor. वो गरीब है पर, but ईमानदार, honest. He is poor but honest. Right. वो क्लेवर है. They are clever. वो बहुत होशियार है but lazy, पर आलसी है. Right. So this but यानी पर, हम हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं पर. ये हम यूज करते हैं as joining words. What do we use them as? Joining words, right? So these are some options which we have taken. So there is nothing more in this thing, but only thing that is you have to use these words properly. The next one, which word which we are going to use is because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because this is a common word which you use in science, English. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि. Because यानी क्योंकि, इसीलिए. So that is why we use because. Now let's move on to the exercise of your Pansy book on page number 38. Right. Now the exercise on page number 38. Before that, I want you all to open up your classwork copies and write down the definition of conjunctions and the usage of the words. Right. So let's start with definition. Definition. Now what is the definition of conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. Okay. Conjunction is a word. Conjunction is a word that joins a word or a sentence. Right. So what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins a word or a sentence together. कैसे join करता है? Together, एक साथ. Right? Now, common examples of conjunction. Examples of conjunction. And यानी और, but, पर, और, या, so, इसीलिए, because, क्योंकि, since, इतने सालों से, since morning I am waiting for you. सुबह से मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Till, I waited for you till it got night. रात होने तक मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. Till यानी जब तक. Right? So and so on. There are many more words which are there, but we learn these many only. Okay, right? So just please note down the definition which is written on the board. So what is the definition of conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins a word or a sentence together. एक करने के लिए जो words join करते हैं उनको conjunctions बोलते हैं एक साथ. Right? Now what is the example of conjunctions? And, but, or, so, because, since, till. Right? Now when we do the exercise, it will become more clear to you. Right? Hope you have written down. Let's move further. Now how are we going to use of and? Where we are going to use and? Right? We use and to join words or sentences that belong to a particular कैसा है? ऑपोजिट है. जैसे he is rich, he is poor, sorry, he is poor, वो गरीब है पर ऑनेस्ट है, राइट. दे आर क्लेवर, वो क्लेवर है, होशियार है, बट लेजी. ओके, नोट डाउन द डेफिनेशंस. We use and to join words or sentences that belong to a particular class. Use of but. We use but to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. Next, use of or. We use or to join words or sentences where we have to make a choice. जब हमको चॉइस करना पड़ती है, जैसे चाय या कॉफी, मिल्क और टी, बर्गर और आइसक्रीम, पिज्जा और आइसक्रीम, so that is where we have to make a choice and there we use or, right? So these are the definitions for you. In our next lecture, we'll be moving on with the exercise. By that time, children, be prepared for your test and just go through the topic conjunctions, right? Okay, take care. Best of luck for your exams. Do your revision properly. Go through the videos again and again and hope everything is very, very clear to you. Okay? Bye. Have a good day.